I have so many stories to share about the impact of what chiropractic care does for people's lives, but one that's commonly heard and told to us as chiropractors that we almost stop thinking about it being a big win for patients, but it's the ability that patients will come in and say, "Doctor, I had migraines or headaches for 13 years. And after a matter of a few series of adjustments, they've been gone." And that is a big win. That is absolutely improving somebody's quality of life, their happiness, their ability to do their day-to-day things. And all we did was apply a simple adjustment and remove nerve interference. So we hear those stories constantly, day after day, in our profession that probably we start to take for granted.